The Rourke sisters are turning 100 this week, and we're throwing them a surprise birthday party.
Here they come. Surprise!
This is really important because in our cities and towns, we create more impervious surfaces. They're really great at doing things like letting us drive on them. They shed off water, and so they're not so good at soaking up water. So we end up with a lot more water, and our streams just really aren't designed to handle all of that, and they create some problems with water quality. Rain gardens are a great way to combat that and make things better.